In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a stop limit order on KuCoin futures. Whether you're new to trading or just looking to enhance your investment strategies, understanding how to effectively use stop limit orders can be a crucial part of your trading arsenal. Let's dive right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First things first, you'll want to head over to the KuCoin website. KuCoin is one of the popular cryptocurrency exchanges that offer a variety of trading instruments, including futures. Once you're on the KuCoin homepage, you need to log into your account. If you're not automatically directed to the login page, simply look for the Login button, usually located at the top right of the page, and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself back on the homepage. From there, navigate to the trading section by clicking on the Trade option, which should be prominently displayed in the main navigation menu. You'll be presented with several trading options, but for this tutorial, let's focus on spot trading. So make sure to click on Spot Trading to proceed. Now that you're in the spot trading section, it's time to search for the trading pair you're interested in. There's usually a search bar or a drop-down menu that lets you select your preferred pair. This could be any pair of cryptocurrencies that KuCoin supports, like Bitcoin to Ethereum, or any other assets you're keen on trading. After selecting your desired trading pair, the platform will display various trading tools and settings. One of these options is the Advanced Limit Order. Locate and click on this option as it will allow you to set a stop limit order, which is essential for managing your trades effectively. A stop limit order allows you to set a specific target price that, once reached, will automatically place a limit order. This is particularly useful if you want to control potential losses or lock in profits without constantly monitoring the market. Once you select the Advanced Limit option, you'll need to input your stop price, which is the price at which you want the limit order to be triggered, and your limit price, which is the actual price at which you wish to buy or sell once the stop price has been hit. Don't forget to specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to trade. After you've entered all required details, double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Confident that it's all correct? Then go ahead and confirm the order. The system will then automatically queue the order as specified. Congratulations! You've now successfully set a stop limit order on KuCoin futures. It's always a good idea to revisit these settings periodically and adjust as needed to optimize your trading strategy. Keep practicing, and over time, you'll become more proficient and better equipped to navigate the dynamic crypto markets. Happy trading!